I meant 4 bands. So then if you like take this off, and then you take a little bit of this one off, like, you'll see when I'm done, because then you can watch this video again and then you can make another one. But right now, I'm gonna continue. Make sure it looks like this. I'm a girl. My name's Ariella. And then, now I think it's time to hook. First, you're gonna put this band back like that. And then you're gonna I'm gonna start from the left, put your cap band in, put your hook in there, and then you're gonna grab these two, you're gonna pull them up. My brother's a disturber. I know he's on my dad's back while he's videotaping. Then hook that one. It's sort of like the basic hooking, like hook, 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 until here and here. So then hook, 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 hook. My brother is so funny. I know. He's holding the video camera and I don't like it. And then you hook that one. Then you'll hook this one up. Then you'll hook that one up. Then you'll hook this one. Then you'll hook this one. Then you'll hook this one. Then, see this band? You're gonna move the horizontal band, or whatever band it's called. Then you put it up here, then put it there, and then put this up here. See this middle? We're not gonna go through any pegs, so we're just gonna lift these up and hook them up there. I'm gonna go left to right. Left to middle to right. Same thing. Can you stop, Nixon? Like that. Then you'll begin to the pink part. Hook the pink up. Hook the pink up. Hook the right up. Up. I hooked these accidentally. So I do that. I go under this band. Hook it here. Now you'll take slowly, gently the cap band off. Take both cap bands off. So hold your fingers like that. Just to make the cap bands rest. Now you're gonna put your black hooked all the way here. And the middle peg will be hooking like that. And this you're gonna hook the same as the left. Then, oh my goodness. Then you're gonna put your hook through all of these, then you're gonna put your hand and then grabbing those two pinks, and then put your finger here. Then look, go under all of them, and let's grab the pinks. Hook them straight here. This is sort of the hard part. Hook them here. Same thing to the right. Grab all of these bands. I even have trouble with it too. This is my first rainbow balloon thing. I don't even know how. And I got the pinks. Hook them here. If it's like pulling, just squirm your hook like there. Never mind. When it comes off, it will go beautiful. This is not hard at all. If you say it looks hard, but it's not really hard. So grab this side like that. Pull it back. Back. Go through all of the... This, I'm going to have to get off camera. Like, I'm not going to show my hands here. I'm just going to have to do it. Like, hook in here. Grab these two bands, and then hook it on here. So I'm going to do it. You possibly may not see, but I can't do this of showing you. So just try to figure it out by yourself. I'm still gonna show you how to hook the rest. There. That's one. That's one hooked up. And if you go. I had trouble hooking that one. Grab another one. This one would go here. That one here. And hook these straight up. This is just like the basic hooking. So hook this like that. Hook this up without looking at any bands. Put that in here. Up. Push the horizontal bands back. Hook it up. Hook it up. Hook it up. And me and my dad fixed this of putting 4 bands, but I'm so sorry. You're supposed to put 4 bands, but I might have said 2. Next time you probably will watch this video, but next time you do 4, okay? And then hook this here. Then hook this here. This is the thing I was talking about just like now. And you should have 2 of these, but I put it 4. Me and my dad fixed it. And next time, just put like 4. Remember that, put 4. Then hook. We're not gonna hook this. We're gonna grab the bottom two, but my video probably, was supposed to hook it. Then my video hook this thing up, hook it up. I said I'm gonna get, okay. You should have 4 on here, but you guys have 2. So, I'll say like, hook the one up, and then put this like that, and then put it back on here. Take off the legs gently, and like that. Second leg, beautiful. Back. Take off the bee body. Now let's take off the hands and the thing, but we're almost done. We still need to do things. Take off your whole thing. That's how it should look. You can hide the snip dot back here. You can put the eyes out more if you like. Anyways, it should be like that. I'm Mariella, and I'm 6 years old. I go to St. James School, and my friends at my school should love what I made right now. Now I have 2 of them. Be free to watch this video again.